Get into a car with value. 2020 Kia Niro. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sleek Kia Niro, the crossover that blends high-end style with SUV versatility and hybrid efficiency. Practical, comfortable, and designed to handle the demands of your busy life with ease, this vehicle has all the features you need to drive confidently into the future. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors. You deserve a family vehicle that's as efficient as it is stylish. Take this versatile Niro out for a spin and let our professional staff show you our commitment to outstanding customer service. We look forward to meeting you.